In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Vive Financial customer service online. Whether you need help with your account, a recent payment, or a question about credit reporting, I'll walk you through the safest, fastest ways to reach the right team and get a response. Start by going to the official Vive website and heading to the Contact Us page. You can usually find this in the footer or the help section. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking for a secure connection and the correct domain before you enter any details. This page is the hub for all official support options, and it's the best place to begin. On the contact form, fill in the required fields carefully and accurately. Include your name, the email associated with your account, and a clear description of your issue. If there's a drop-down for topic or category, pick the one that best matches your situation to route your message correctly. Provide only the information needed to verify your account and avoid sharing sensitive data like full account numbers or passwords. Keep your message concise but specific. Reference dates, amounts, screenshots, or case numbers if you have them. The clearer you are, the fewer back and forths you'll need. If the Contact Us page lists an official support email, you can use that as well. Write from the email tied to your account so the team can find your profile quickly. Use a straightforward subject line, summarize the issue in the first sentence, and include any relevant reference numbers. Attachments should only include what's necessary and never contain sensitive identifiers. You can also check the mobile app for built-in support or chat. Open the app and look for help, support, or messages. In-app chat or secure messaging is often faster because you're already authenticated and it keeps your communications in one place. Turn on notifications so you don't miss replies if your question involves credit reporting. Ask customer service to confirm how and when they report to credit bureaus, typical update timelines, and what to do if you see an inaccuracy. Request written confirmation of any actions taken and save any case numbers they provide for follow-up. Finally, stay alert for scams or imposters. Only use contact methods listed on the official site or app. Be wary of unexpected messages asking for codes or confidential information. Legitimate support will never request your password or full card details. If something feels off, stop, navigate directly to the official site, and reach out from there. That's it. Use the Contact Us page, the listed email if available, and the app support tools. Stay precise and keep your information safe.